Ever wondered how to make delicious and healthy meals at home? Today, we're going to demystify the art of home cooking. We all know that cooking at home is not only healthier, but also allows for a greater control over the nutritional content of your meals. In this video, we'll guide you through 4 delightful recipes: sweet potato and amp, black bean enchiladas, Mediterranean chickpea salad, Teriyaki Quinoa Bowl, and One-Pan Teriyaki Salmon. Stay tuned and grab your apron. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure. Scene script. First up, we're cooking up some sweet potato and amp black bean enchiladas. Get ready for a flavor fiesta with our first recipe. We'll start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While our oven is heating up, we'll peel and dice 2 large sweet potatoes. Boil these until they're tender. Once they're cooked, we'll mash them up with a can of drained and rinsed black beans and a cup of frozen corn. Next, we'll add a cup of chopped spinach to our mixture and stir until well combined. Now comes the fun part: filling our tortillas. Spoon the sweet potato and black bean mixture into 8 whole grain tortillas, roll them up, and place them seam side down in a baking dish. But we're not done yet. Pour a cup of enchilada sauce over the top, making sure every enchilada is coated. To finish, sprinkle a cup of shredded cheese over the top. Cheddar or a Mexican blend will work perfectly here. Pop the dish into your preheated oven and wait for the magic to happen. As the enchiladas bake, the flavors meld together, creating a delicious, comforting dish that's perfect for a weeknight dinner or a gathering with friends. Not only are these enchiladas bursting with flavor, but they're also packed with nutritional benefits. Each serving offers 15 grams of protein and 10 grams of fiber. Plus, you'll get a whopping 180% of your daily vitamin A and 25% of your vitamin C. And the best part? This meal is as friendly on your wallet as it is on your taste buds. The average cost per serving in America is just $3.75. So not only are you serving up a meal that's delicious and nutritious, but it's also budget-friendly. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a meal that checks all those boxes? And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious meal that won't break the bank. Next on our menu is a refreshing Mediterranean chickpea salad. This dish is a symphony of flavors and textures, and it's incredibly easy to prepare. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of chickpeas, drained. Chickpeas are a great source of protein and fiber, and they're the perfect base for our salad. Next, we need 1 diced cucumber, a cup of half cherry tomatoes, and half a cup of sliced Kalamata olives. These ingredients add freshness, color, and a tangy taste to our salad. We also need half a cup of crumbled feta cheese for that extra punch of flavor and creaminess. Now let's prepare the dressing. For this, we need a 1/4 cup each of olive oil and fresh lemon juice. The olive oil gives us a dose of healthy fats, while the lemon juice adds a zesty tang to the salad. We'll also add in a teaspoon of dried oregano for some Mediterranean flair and season it with salt and pepper to taste. Now, it's time to assemble our salad. Combine the chickpeas, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, olives, and feta cheese in a large bowl. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, oregano, salt, and pepper. Then pour the dressing over the salad and toss everything together until well combined. And just like that, your Mediterranean chickpea salad is ready to be enjoyed. It's a colorful, tasty, and nutritious dish that's packed with protein, fiber, and a multitude of vitamins. It's also incredibly cost-effective, with an average cost of just $3.25 per serving in America. Whether you're looking for a light lunch, a side dish, or a healthy dinner, this salad is a great choice. It's not only satisfying and delicious, but it's also friendly to your wallet and your waistline. There you have it, a quick, easy, and healthy salad that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Now let's whip up a Teriyaki Quinoa Bowl. Our ingredients for this dish are quite simple: quinoa, broccoli florets, a bell pepper, a carrot, teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, honey, and garlic. The beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity, yet it packs a punch when it comes to nutrients and flavor. Let's start with quinoa, a superfood that's high in protein, fiber, and various important minerals. Rinse a cup of quinoa under cold water and cook it according to the package instructions. While the quinoa is cooking, let's sauté our veggies. In a pan, combine the broccoli florets, sliced bell pepper, and julienned carrot. These vegetables not only add color and texture to our bowl, but they are also rich in vitamins A and C, which are essential for a healthy immune system. Now it's time to bring in the flavor. Sauté your veggies in a mix of teriyaki and soy sauce. The teriyaki sauce will give your veggies a sweet and tangy flavor, while the soy sauce adds a savory depth. As the veggies get tender and soak up the sauces, let's prepare our honey garlic sauce. Combine honey with minced garlic. The sweetness of the honey perfectly balances the strong flavor of the garlic, creating a sauce that's going to tie everything together. Once your quinoa is cooked, it's time to assemble our bowl. Mix the quinoa with the sautéed vegetables. Drizzle your dish with the honey garlic sauce, making sure every bite gets a hint of that sweet and garlicky goodness. This teriyaki quinoa bowl is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. It provides a good balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Plus, it's high in vitamin C and fiber, making it a great choice for a well-rounded meal. The best part? This dish costs just around $4 per serving. It's a testament to the fact that healthy, delicious meals do not need to break the bank. And there you have it, a delicious and wholesome teriyaki quinoa bowl ready to be devoured. Scene script. Finally, we're preparing a one-pan teriyaki salmon. Let's get started by preheating our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is warming up, we can begin to prepare our ingredients. We'll need 4 succulent salmon fillets, a cup of fresh broccoli florets, a bell pepper sliced into thin strips, and a carrot julienne. Now let's mix together our sauce. Combine half a cup of teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. This blend of sweet and savory flavors will give our dish its distinctive taste. Once the sauce is ready, it's time to assemble everything on a baking sheet. Place the salmon fillets in the center and surround them with the broccoli, bell pepper, and carrot. Spoon the sauce generously over the salmon and vegetables, ensuring everything is well coated. Pop this into your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked to your liking. And there you have it, a one-pan wonder that's both delicious and nutritious. This dish is high in protein, thanks to the salmon, and packed with vitamin C from the vegetables. And the best part? It contains a good amount of healthy fats, which are essential for a balanced diet. This recipe serves 4 and costs an average of $4.50 per serving in America. It's an affordable way to enjoy a restaurant-quality meal in the comfort of your own home. Plus, it's quick and easy to prepare, making it perfect for those busy weeknights when you're short on time. And voila! A simple, tasty, and nutritious meal ready in no time. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your homemade one-pan teriyaki salmon. Bon appetit! And there you have it. 4 delicious and healthy meals you can easily make at home. From the savory sweet potato and black bean enchiladas to the fresh Mediterranean chickpea salad, the hearty teriyaki quinoa bowl, and the succulent one-pan teriyaki salmon. Each recipe is a testament to the versatility, convenience, and health benefits of home cooking. So, why not give them a try? Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Happy cooking!